Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus, we have glitches and overages today. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do want to go ahead and let y'all know that you need to stay tuned today, because coming up next, I'm going to have our new clearance markdown and penny list video. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. I'll have that one up later on today, and make sure that you have those notifications turned on. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course, go ahead and clip that 5 off 25 for Saturday. Next up, we have this 2 off 1 for the Old Spice body wash. I believe we talked about this coupon last week. We do have a higher value coupon. It's a 3 off 1. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. So moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Charmin Essentials. This is on the 12 count mega rolls. They're priced at $11, so after the coupon you're going to pay $9. We also have this $2.50 off one for the This Is L pads or tampons. These are priced at $8.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $6. We also have this 3 off 1 for the Old Spice body wash pump bottles. Those are priced at $9.35, so after the coupon you're going to pay $6.35. And that one is safe to clip. Next up, we've got a 2 off 1 for the Head & Shoulders. This is on the Clinical or the Supreme. They're pretty pricey at $10.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Old Spice Gentlemen's Shampoos and Conditioners. These are priced at $8.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.35. We also have a 3 off 1 for the Secret Clinical deodorants. Those are priced at $9, so after the coupon you're going to pay $6. And you guys will see some lower value coupons once we get toward the end. Alright, next up we have a 1 off 2 for the Gain dish soap. These are priced at $2.70, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.40 for 2. We also have a new 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Gain Fireworks. So these are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 2. Next up, they did give us this 1 off 2 for the Febreze air care products. These are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. However, this really isn't a great deal, because you can pick up the 2 packs of the air freshener sprays for $5.50 any day of the week without a coupon. So I'm not sure what's up with that, but okay. Moving on, we have a 1 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste. These start out at $4.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Now next up, we have a 3 off 1 for our Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $15.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $12.95. And then moving on down, we have a 50-cent off 1 for the Angel Soft bath tissue and a 1 off 1 for the Angel Soft bath tissue. So this is really just going to depend on what you want to pick up for your household. If you want to pick up the smaller count, the 4 mega rolls, those are priced at $3.95, and that 50-cent off 1 digital coupon does work on those. So that would leave you paying $3.45. However, if you wanted to pick up the larger counts, like the 8 mega rolls, those are priced at $5.95. So after that 1 off 1 coupon is applied, you're going to pay $4.95. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this larger, higher value coupon 1 off 1. Alright, moving on down, we have a 4 off 2 for the Mr. Clean products. So if you want to pick up the multi-purpose cleaners, those are priced at $4 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Then we also have a 3 off 2 for the Pantene products. Now these are on sale this week, 2 for $9. They are normally $6 each. On sale, 2 for $9. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. So you're basically getting kind of like a buy one, get one free deal there. Next up, we have a 5 off 1 for the Colgate Optic White. Those are priced at $7.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. We have a new 2 off 1 for the Downy products. We have a 2 off 1 for the Dawn Power Wash. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Fix-A-Dent twin or triple packs. Those start out at $11.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Precision Hold single packs. So those are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We have this 5 off 3 for the Old Spice products. Like I said, we do have a lot of these coupons. We do have the 3 off 1 for the Old Spice body wash. We have a 3 off 1 for the deodorant, 2 off 1s. So it's really just going to depend on what you want to pick up. But this coupon is glitching. Now, if you want to pick up the body wash, those are the lowest priced item at $5.50 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11.50 for 3. But like I said, this coupon is glitching. It is working on the 3-ounce high endurance deodorants. Those are priced at $4.50 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50 for 3. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working on the travel size deodorants. So those are priced at $1.10 each. So picking up 3 after the coupon, that is going to make 3 of them completely free, plus give you $1.70 in overage. All right, moving on down, we have the Bounty 50 cent off 1 digital coupon. If you want to pick up the 2-count double rolls, those are priced at $4.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.10. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 1-count Bounty Essential paper towels. So those are $1. Found in the dollar aisle. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. All right, guys, next up we have this 50 cent off 1 digital coupon on the Old Spice products. Now, again, we do have higher value coupons, 3 off 1, 2 off 1, all of those awesome coupons. But this coupon is glitching. It is working on the high endurance deodorant. So if you like those, they're priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And this coupon is also glitching and working on the travel size deodorants. Those are priced at $1.10 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 60 cents. Now, I am going to pass on clipping this one for now, just until I can get to the store and see what they actually have in stock. Because with that 5 off 3 Old Spice coupon, that's going to make 3 of them completely free, plus give me overage. Then we have that 2 off 3 for the Pepsi Mountain Dew 12 packs. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $15. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $13 for 3. We have a 50 cent off 1 for the Oral-B floss. Those are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.85. All right, moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for the Hefty party cups or plates. Those are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. Then we have a 3 off 1 for the Tide products. Those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. We have a 1 off 1 for the Mitchum deodorants. Those are priced at $3.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. All right, we've got a 1 off 1 for the Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaners. Those start out at $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. All right, next up, we've got a 1 off 1 for the Band-Aids. If you want to pick up the multi-pack, those start out at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. We have a 1 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste, $2.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. Next up, we have the 5 off 3 for the Olay products. If you want to pick up the lotions, those are priced at $6.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $14.05 for 3. However, this coupon is glitching and it is giving us some overage. So you want to be on the lookout for the Olay travel sized body washes. Those are priced at $1.30 each. Pick up 3, use the coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.10 in overage. All right, moving on down, we're going to skip over a few of these here, but I will be clipping them all to my account except for this Old Spice. This is a 3 off 2, and as you all know, we have higher value coupon. We have a 5 off 1 for the Airwick scented oil refills. Those are priced at $12, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. We have a 1 off 1 for the Dove body wash, the pump bottles. Those are priced at $10.95. We have a 1 off 1 manufacturer coupon plus a 1 off 1 DG store coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $8.95. All right, moving on. We have a 3 off 1 for the Dreft. Those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. We're going to skip over a few of these here. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Secret dry sprays. Those are priced at $7. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We have a 3 off 1 for the Venus razors. Those are priced at $9. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. And again, some more Secret coupons. All right, guys, now on these last few coupons, I'm going to go ahead and clip all these to my account except for that 3 off 2 for the Head and Shoulders, because we do have that higher value 2 off 1 that we talked about at the beginning of the video. But other than that, we're going to go ahead and skip down to our DG store coupons. Now, we did receive a new 5 off 15 for the all Snuggle and Purex products. So I'm really excited about that because I did not get to try that deal out yesterday. As you all know, I kind of went on a little family trip. We actually ended up breaking down, so we got back a lot later than we expected. And I was literally running in Dollar General as the doors were closing. So they were shutting down and I did not have time to try out and see if this DG store coupon for the Snuggle on Purex would stack with the $5.25. But if anybody tried out that deal, please let me know down in the comment section below, or you can send me an email and we can kind of chit chat about how it all worked out behind the scenes. We also have this buy one get one free on the begging strips. You pick up a 16-ounce bag and a 3-ounce bag, you're going to pay $9.50 for 2. Then we've got the True Living bath tissue down here. Those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And a one-off one for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the magnesium 30 count, those are priced at $2.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. Alright guys, so there you have it for our new Dollar General digital coupons. But like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure that y'all stick around today because I will have our new clearance markdowns and penny list information video coming up next. So before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.